Live from the Broadcast Center in Los Angeles, this is KCAL 9 News at 4.
And as mask mandates change, with many areas still experiencing relatively high transmission and case rates, who should consider keeping their masks on?
Yeah, KCAL 9's Christine Lazar spoke to 2 doctors today for some advice on that.
Some are eager to unmask.
The politicians, they're not wearing theirs either, so why should we?
Others aren't ready.
I think I'll continue for a while.
While LA County will keep its indoor mask mandate in place for now, in surrounding counties, the mandate will turn into a recommendation.
This has definitely been a roller coaster for everybody.
Dr. Jose Mayorga is the executive director of the UCI Family Health Centers. He says he and his colleagues are concerned about what lifting the mandate could do to our declining cases and hospitalizations.
Does it make me nervous? It does, especially for those folks who have yet to be vaccinated, and particularly our children. There's a lot of kids out there that still aren't vaccinated.
According to the state's guidance, anyone who isn't fully vaccinated should keep wearing a mask indoors. But Dr. Richard Seidman, the chief medical officer at LA Care Health Plan, says even those who are vaccinated should weigh their risks before unmasking.
Certainly the elderly, people with chronic conditions such as heart disease and lung disease, people with immunocompromise, people who are being treated for cancer. Those are all high-risk categories.
And which mask you choose does matter.
So if you're using the high grade of a mask, in other words, a K95, N95, that protects you from others. If you're simply wearing a cloth mask, that is likely just going to prevent you from spreading any potential infection you have.
And what do you say to those who say masks don't work?
Well, that's just not true. For people who choose to believe that masks do not work, they're simply misinformed. So we ask people to get informed from accurate, factual sources of truth.
LA still has the highest rate of community transmission in the state of California, which means it will likely be weeks, if not more than a month, before we meet the metrics where we can have our indoor mask mandate lifted. Christine Lazar, KCAL 9 News.